Here I have VIVAX Point X503, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, go to the System section, About Phone. Here you have to find the line build number, which is located at the bottom of this section, and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find your developer options here in the System section. Here they are, all of these very interesting and useful developer options. You can also disable them here, and they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.